Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokocharts.com daily analysis for the SP 500 for Tuesday, May the 18th, 2010. Well, a change of character again for this market very quickly, and we have quite a bearish day today, whereas on the previous day we had the bears losing their commitment. Today they've found that commitment once again. A fairly large red-bodied candle denotes that the sellers have made some significant net bearish progress on the day between the open and the close. You also have a shadow on the top of the candle, and that represents downside price rejection. So when the market attempted to rally above the 1150 area, the sellers came in and sold the market off to close it down towards the low, with the sellers closing in control and showing strong commitment. Now the 1150 area and the Kijun-sen were failed to be breached by the bulls, or failed to close above there and failed to hold above there. And the sellers came in, and those areas are potential areas of support for this market over the of resistance for this market over the next few days. Support was found at the bottom of the cloud, which is what we normally expect, and the market has closed just around that area as well, with some buying coming in as the market tested the area outside of the cloud and the area around the Tenkan-sen. Now the market is still trading within the cloud, or just within the cloud, and that's telling us that the market is neutral at the moment, and the market's trading down below the Kijun-sen, giving us a bearish bias in the medium-term time frame, and trading at or just above the Tenkan-sen, reflecting a neutrality in the fast-term time frame. The Tenkan-sen is still pointing downwards, reflecting the downside momentum in this market, and the Kijun-sen is pointing sideways, and that's one of the reasons why the market retraced back towards there, because it tends to be an attractor of price action. Now, even though we did have a bearish day today, there was a change of trend to the upside, and we have a candle with a higher high and a higher low. So even though the bears on the day were quite strong, they still failed to take out that low of the previous candle, and that could be significant for this market. Now obviously this area around the cloud is an important area of support, so if the market does change trend again and continue to the downside, it will need to have a substantially bearish close down below that area. There is some decent resistance below, down around the 1106, 1100 region, and certainly to 1080 and down to this swing low at 1065, where there was strong buying coming in previously. To the upside, obviously the Kijun-sen at 1142 offers some strong resistance, and the area around 1150 offers some very strong resistance as well. Just looking at the Chiku span here, it's still substantially below the trading period from 26 periods ago, so that's reinforcing the neutrality or the bearishness in this market. It's certainly not supporting any bullishness in this market at the moment. So to the upside, some decent resistance up above, but also some very important support below. If those supports below are breached, then we should be visiting around the 1100 region.